In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open SVG file in Figma. First, open your design where you want the SVG to live. Take a second to choose the right page or frame so the graphic goes exactly where you expect it. If you are working inside a frame or component, make sure it's visible and unlocked. It also helps to set your zoom and pan to a comfortable view, leaving a bit of empty canvas space so you can see the SVG clearly as soon as it arrives. If your project uses a layout grid or constraints, keep those in mind so the placement feels intentional when you drop the asset in. Next, locate the SVG file on your computer. Open your file browser finder on Mac or File Explorer on Windows and navigate to the folder where your asset is stored. You are looking for a file with the .svg extension. If you have multiple versions, choose the one that's final or most up-to-date. Now, click and drag it directly onto your open Figma design canvas. With your file browser and Figma window both visible, click the SVG once, hold and drag it over the Figma canvas. As you hover, you'll see a placement indicator. If you want it inside a specific frame, hover until that frame highlights. Then release. If you drop it on the canvas, it will land there as a vector group or set of layers. After it appears, you can position it where it belongs and adjust the size as needed. Because it's vector, scaling up or down won't reduce quality. If it looks too large or too small, simply zoom out or in and resize from a corner handle to keep proportions consistent. You can also select individual paths to tweak colors or strokes, which is especially handy for aligning the SVG with your project's design system. That's it. Thanks for watching.